Welcome to my channel.
Do you want to play cricket today?
Yes, I love cricket.
What game should we play now?
How about football?
Can we play in the park?
Sure, let's go.
Do you have a ball?
Yes, I brought one.
Should we make two teams?
Yes, that will be fun.
Who will be the captain?
You can be the captain today.
Shall we play for 1 hour?
Yes, that's enough time.
Do you know the rules of the game?
Yes, I know them well.
Can we invite more friends?
Great idea. Let's call them.
Who will bring water?
I will bring it.
Should we keep score?
Yes, let's do that.
Who will be the referee?
I can do it.
Should we play indoors or outdoors?
Outdoors is better.
Do you like running games?
Yes, they are exciting.
How about playing hide and seek?
I love that game.
Should we play again tomorrow?
Of course, I can't wait.
Can we play in the evening?
Yes, after school.
Do you want to try a new game?
Sure, teach me.
Can we play badminton today?
Yes, I have the rackets.
Who will serve first?
You can start.
Should we play until sunset?
Yes, that sounds good.
Can we set up a small goalpost?
Yes, let's do it.
Do you like playing chess?
Yes, it's a smart game.
Should we play a quick match?
Yes, I have time.
Can we take turns?
Sure, fair play is best.
Should we play tag?
Yes, it's so much fun.
Who will be at first?
I will be it.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I like Ludo.
Can we play cards too?
Sure, I have a deck.
What's your favorite game?
I like cricket the most.
Do you want to race to the tree? Yes, let's see who wins. Should we make a small playground? That's a cool idea. Can we try skipping rope? Yes, I'll bring one. Do you like team games? Yes, they are exciting. Should we play inside your house? Yes, but carefully. Can we play outside after lunch? Sure, I'll be ready. Should we play a puzzle game? Yes, I like puzzles. Who will solve it first? Let's see who is faster. Can we build a sandcastle? Yes, let's go to the beach. Should we bring toys? Yes, I'll pack some. Can we play video games too? Sure, after outdoor games. Do you like running races? Yes, they are exciting. Shall we count scores now? Yes, let's check. Do you want to play again later? Yes, after dinner. Should we teach others to play? Yes, that will be fun. Can we try a new sport tomorrow? Yes, I want to learn. Do you want to be the leader? Sure, I'll try. Should we play in the morning? Yes, it's cooler then. Can we end the game now? Yes, let's say bye. Bye, see you tomorrow. Bye, take care.
Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.